It's not what we do, it's how we do it. It's not what we see, it's how we look at it. It's not how our life is, it's how we live it.
Neither of us are perfect, but we are perfect for each other.
One thing I realized that everything works out in the end. Sometimes even better than you would have imagined.
Riaz, I don't know what the future holds, but I know that you will hold me in the future, and that is all that matters.
I welcome the most beautiful couple, handsome Riaz and beautiful Kashmira.
I'm feeling very happy. We both have experienced a very beautiful past, and today we move forward into a new direction. We will always cherish the memories that we have had, and we will build new moments that will create new memories for our future. I look forward to starting a new life as a family together. Thank you, Kashmira.
I just want to express my feelings. Today, my heart is filled with gratitude. Allah is closer to us than our jugular vein, and He knows what is in our hearts. Good things happen to people who are patient, and today, one of the best thing is happening in my life as I get into the bond of love with Riaz. I am heavenly rewarded today. For me, Riaz is a miracle. The warmth, love, care, understanding and happiness that we share makes me want to live longer and enjoy life and grow old with Riaz. As the famous dialogue goes, that हमारी जिंदगी में end में सब ठीक हो जाता है, happy is ending and happiness is beginning in my life. Once again, I am excited to enter this new phase of life with Riaz, Suhan, Rishan, Zayan, and I hope and pray that we enjoy this roller coaster ride called life as a one big happy family. Finally, I will only say Shukr, Alhamdulillah, thank you.
Literally wondering what Riaz bhai was doing the entire quarantine. So just let us watch a quick short clipping. How did he spend his quarantine time?
As long as we have memories, yesterday remains. As long as we have hope, tomorrow awaits. As long as we are together, today is beautiful.
Riaz, I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. And I want to grow old with you and be able to say that I have lived an amazing life with you.
Never stop believing. Miracles happen every day.
Miracles just happen. Silent prayers get answered. Broken hearts become brand new. And that is what faith can do.